Insurance companies are raising health premium in Delhi. Guess why? Pollution. We are Team Sub Extract working towards a pollution-free India by tackling the issue of stubble burning. Every year, millions of tons of crop residue are burnt in northern India, leading to severe environmental and health hazards. Our mission is to provide a sustainable, affordable, and scalable solution for farmers.
Stubble burning leads to severe air pollution, respiratory disease like lung cancers, and economic losses due to declining soil health and productivity. Farmers burn stubble, they lack cost-effective and accessible alternatives. This problem is particularly severe in states like Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, impacting millions of people. Every year, 27 million tons of stubble are produced in North India and 23 million tons of it are burned, releasing 150 million tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. This practice is a major contributor to the hazardous Delhi NCR smoke and degrading air quality across northern states.
Farmers face technological gaps, economic dilemmas, resource wastage, and environmental hazards, making stubble burning a widespread issue. Our solution impacts farmers, rural communities, local governments, bio-oil buyers, agricultural researchers, and environmental NGOs. So, what are we doing to solve this problem? One of the foremost part of our mission is spreading farmer awareness. Majority of farmers are not aware of alternate solutions to stubble burning. We are not starting a project, but we are leading a movement of awareness. Our major product is a machine that converts stubble into bio-oil. The machine will be portable for use. Also, we aim to act as a bridge between the government bodies who are eager to stop the problem of stubble burning and between those farmers who are not aware about the alternate ways and subsidies provided by government in this area.
We conduct awareness walks, training sections with Krishi Vigyan Kendra and involve school children to encourage sustainable stubble management. We have successfully developed a working prototype of a small-scale pyrolysis machine. This machine makes bio-oil production affordable, scalable, and accessible for all individual farmers and cooperatives. Unlike large-scale solutions, our technology is designed specifically for small and medium farmers who cannot afford expensive alternatives.
We follow a multi-stream revenue model, selling bio-oil, targeting industries like energy, agriculture, and cosmetics as buyers, machine leasing, renting machines to farmers via custom hiring centers, government subsidies and grants, utilizing available funds for clean energy initiatives, and selling by-products, monetizing biochar and gases produced in the pyrolysis process.
Three main sustainable development goals: SDG 7 clean energy, SDG 13 climate action, and SDG 12 responsible consumption and production. We are not just an idea, it's a revolution in sustainable agriculture. We are creating a future where farmers benefit financially, industries get clean fuel, and the environment is protected from pollution. Join us in making agriculture sustainable, profitable, and pollution-free with Sub Extract. Let's drive the change together.
We are Team Sub Extract.